With the AD Pro Toolkit, you can bulk add or remove users to Active Directory groups. So for example, I've got these 10 groups, and you can see there's currently no members in the groups. And I want to add a whole bunch of users to these groups. So all you need to do is download the template, go to groups, update group membership, download the template. Your template's going to look like this. So you need the user's SAM account name and then a list of the groups you want to add them to. You can get all the users' logon names from any of our reports. Just go to user reports, find a report, and then you just need to get the SAM account column. You can change this to an OU, but just click run, and you'll get all of the users' SAM account names, and then you can just copy and paste this into the template here. And then just list all of your groups so you can see, and you separate multiple groups with a column. So you can see I'm adding all of these users. I've got a couple hundred users here, I think. Yeah, over 200 users that I'm adding to 10 groups all at once. So once you got your template configured, come into the group membership tool, choose your action. I'm going to add. I'm going to do a browse, and then I'm going to select my template. Click run. And once this is done, I will refresh these groups, and you will see all the users have been added to it. Okay, that is done. It took about 30 seconds. So I'll come in here, refresh, properties, managed, members. There you go. So you can see it's added over 200 users to the groups. I'll just randomly check another group, members. There you go. So I just bulk added a whole bunch of users to groups. And then if I wanted to remove users to groups, same thing. Could use the same template format. You just need the account name and then the groups you want to remove them from. So I'm going to use the same template. I'm going to clear the logs. So I will remove all of those users from all of those groups now. And you can see it's logging all the details out to the screen. It also puts it into a log file, so it's telling you it's removing the user and which group it's removing them from. Okay, it's completed, so now I'll do a refresh, and there should be no members in this group. I'll randomly check another one. So, I mean, there you can see it took me a total of a minute to bulk add hundreds of users to multiple groups at once. And then to just kind of go over a little more details to create your template, instead of having to manually put in users. I mean, you could do that. Let me open up my template. You know, if you need to add a couple of users to a bunch of groups, you can manually type that out. But you know, if you want to add hundreds of users to groups, you probably don't want to manually type all that stuff out. So you can use these reports to grab all your users. So what I did was I added all of my management users, run, and then once this is done, I can just copy, and then I'll just put this into a new, well, I'll just delete all of this. Paste. It copies the header, so you'll want to remove that. But there you go. I just copy and pasted several hundred users to create my template. And then from here, you just fill out the member of, again, all the groups you want to add them to. Group 1, separate them by a comma. Group 2, and that's it. You can use the user reports, but maybe you've got, you need to update all, you need to remove all disabled users from groups. So what you could do is add the status column. I'll click run. I'll go ahead and stop this, but then I'll filter this by all disabled users. Disabled, close. So now I could copy and paste this. Copy, paste this into here. I want to remove the status column, remove that header. So now I've got a list of all my disabled accounts, and then I could go remove them from the groups if needed. But that is the process for bulk updating users group membership. There's also all kinds of group reports. So if I wanted to see all the what groups the user is a member of, I could do that for all users by just going to user groups and clicking run. I can look up a specific user. So there I looked up a specific user. It shows me all the groups they're a member of. You can also do this by groups. So if you need to get all the members of a specific group, I'll look up all the members of the domain admins group. Search for admins, domain admins, click run. And there it's showing me all the members of the domain admins, and it also includes some additional user information. And I can customize this by clicking columns. I can export all this out to a CSV Excel file or a PDF. And again, any of the reports you can browse and select multiple objects, multiple OUs. But that is it for this video. Thanks.